forget it.
Now I'm getting ready to do my first cabinet doors, and not for sure if it's gonna, work out for me or not. You never can tell these days. This is where it gets interesting too, because you've done quite a bit of work. Say like on your cabinets, you've already sanded them all down, you've wiped them all down with alcohol, and you've scuffed them up, and you've painted them, you primered them, and you painted them. You've brushed it and you've rolled it. Now it's time to start doing the cabinet doors, and this is where a lot of the magic begins to happen, because you can kind of finally start to see stuff getting put back together, and that's always an exciting part of any renovation project. Now I'm also going to take off the clasp for the doors, and these old Avions used to use, I think they're called cam screws. So I actually have a cam screwdriver, and it's kind of a weird fit. It's just a really odd shape, but they don't make these types of screws anymore. They just don't make them. So I thought this might be a fun little project. This light came with it. It's over the dinette, and of course it's kind of the traditional globe style light, and it's got this white paint on top. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a sanding block to the paint, knocking it off, and I think I'm gonna frost this glass instead. I've got some of that frost spray paint. I think it might look pretty cool. It worked a little bit better with me going inside and running it underwater as I did the sanding process. So now I'm going to take some of this alcohol, wipe it off, and then use it to dry it out as well. And then we can frost this daddy-o. So this is what we're going to use, the Krylon frosted glass, semi-transparent. See how she does. And this door is in bad need of some replacement edging. That other stuff was just horrible looking. Time to go. Oh, the FedEx truck just left. I think they were bringing in my new mattress. Let's go see. Yep, there she is. Made in the USA, baby. Yeah, it's a special cut mattress. It's a 48 by 75, made to perfectly fit on that full-size platform in there. It's made by a company called Excel Sleep Products. Handcrafted in the USA. It's an 8-inch graphite-infused memory foam mattress. And I don't have to cut it to size because it's already perfect. Unfortunately, I can't unpack it in the camper yet because I'm still painting in that area. So I have to get that done first before I can actually do it or take it out there. So I guess I'm just gonna unroll it, unpack it, and let it inflate in the house. So let's get it in there. Oh, oh my God. That's like the biggest job, I swear. I can't wait. Oh my God, it feels so comfortable. I love it. It is so comfy. It's very soft. I think it's even more soft than the one I used to have in my house. And the one in my house was really soft. So, interesting. And this cover, it's very, I don't know, it's got like this really cool feeling to it. But it's almost kind of like, got a cloth diaper feel in a way. It's very luxurious.